Welcome again, friends. It's Bob and Fran, your healthy aging advocates and coaches. We have some really good healthy lifestyle tips for you today, adapted from our book, 101 Ways to Be Young at Any Age. These are things that we have used for years to enrich our lives. Be sure to listen and watch to the end. That's important. And let's get started right now.
Here are 5 practical, everyday ideas that work well for us to enhance our health and well-being. The first one is essential oils. Essential oils are a highly concentrated adaptation of the natural oils in plants, which include their fragrance as well as their healing properties for both physical and emotional wellness. Essential oils have been used throughout history in many cultures. We personally mix lavender and frankincense oils in a mister or diffuser in our bedroom at night. It has aided us in our sleep. It is also said that essential oils have an uplifting effect on the spirit and helps in relaxation. Essential oils can also be used on the skin or ingested for a variety of possible benefits. We advise you to do your own research on the types and qualities of various essential oils and enlist your doctor's permission prior to using.
Another idea is to use earthing or grounding mats and sheets. They're used to transmit energy from the earth into our bodies. We use earthing mats daily while barefoot when working at our desks or sitting on the sofa. We simply plug our mats into a grounding outlet in our house where the light plugs are. It is a good substitute for walking barefoot directly on the earth. The benefits include increased energy, pain reduction, improved sleep patterns, and lower stress levels. Another way is to get a grounding sheet for your bed. Check all of this out on the internet, and happy earthing. Give it a try.
A reverse osmosis water system is our choice for healthy drinking water. Our personal research verifies that while progress has been made in purifying our drinking water in America, there remains a number of toxins and contaminants that are still approved for consumption in many areas. These may include lead, chromium-6, carcinogens, pesticides, herbicides, and fluoride. Because of this, we chose to use a countertop reverse osmosis water purification system for our home that removes or substantially reduces all the toxic chemicals in our tap water. In our opinion, this is far more effective than other types of water filters, such as a refrigerator water filter or pitcher. We believe that this helps prevent illness and promotes a healthier lifestyle. We advise you to drink 6 to 8 glasses of healthy water every day.
We use a salt lamp in our bedroom, but many folks have these placed throughout their homes. They are said to help purify the air by increasing negative ions to counter the positive ions given off by electronic devices. Salt lamps are known to help calm allergies, enhance sleep, boost blood flow, and raise serotonin levels. Salt lamps work for us, but do your own investigating.
And last, we use dust mite-proof mattress and pillow covers. We switched from conventional mattress and pillow covers to hypoallergenic ones. Even though we have no known allergies, we wanted extra protection from any possibilities of dust mites, allergens, bacteria, mildew, and mold while asleep. We've been happy with this decision and encourage you to consider doing the same if you haven't already. There's a wide range of qualities, features, and prices, so you can check these out online or at a retail store.
So there you have it. We encourage you to consider these terrific tools to grow healthier and younger. What kinds of things do you use as part of your healthy living? Please let us know in the comment section below and share this video with a friend who might benefit. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do and tap the notification bell as well, so we can keep bringing these tips and advice in videos like this to you. And why not check out some of our other videos? And of course, we look forward to seeing you again very soon.